What's up, everybody? Oh, let's adjust this lighting a little bit. Welcome back to the channel. You guys are probably wondering where we've been. Well, we've been very busy, so we apologize for not pushing out much content. Another thing, you guys probably wondering what happened to my rims. Well, I sold them. Yep, sold them to Brandon. Wow, look at this sexy thing. Too bad this guy don't bring them out. Look at that.
That's my project.
That's your project?
Yeah, that's my weekend warrior.
And he got new shoes on him too. Look at that. Whoa. Yeah, you're gonna be seeing this in our videos later on. So today is just an oil change up.
Yes, sir.
Simple oil change on the IS300. Gotta adjust the.
Always gotta get your stuff first, yeah. Get all the tools needed.
Always get your tools. Got the 2 jack stands. Got the jack. Oil filter. And then of course the 5W30. You guys can pick this kind of shit up at Walmart.
You know what I mean? You gotta get the high mileage because my car high mileage.
So what? We're gonna adjust the coils too later on.
If
it's kind of.
we get time.
Yeah, the way we left them set, it's kind of off. Like you see how this side is not tucking, but if you come to this side, it's a little tuck, and then the backs are fucking dumped. So yeah, let's just get started with this video. Today's gonna be a short one. Check this dipstick real quick.
Ew, that shit black as fuck.
Check with them. See?
Oh, black and
definitely gonna change this. Oh, not black like Nani. Oh, you guys want to see something cool? Check this out. Ooh, got that custom royalty hat. Just one prototype for now. I was just testing them out. I think it looks good. I'm gonna make these letters a little bit bigger, and then on the side make these ones smaller. Alright, brother. Here's the first one. What, your undercarriage still scraping?
No, Alex and help me fix them.
Oh, and zip tie them.
Oh, bro.
What?
Look, the fucking not even on the fucking jack.
Oh. Wait, let me just. Fucking thing is like on the hook, but not really on the hook.
Yeah, oh, watch out, I'm gonna fix them.
Lower it up.
Oh, fuck, I didn't even look.
Take 2.
Take 2. Okay, now we good. It's distracting me, that's why I handsome.
Gotta get that a lot, thanks.
Bro,
Keep pumping, yeah, there you go. It's safe, bro.
You think that's safe?
Yeah, it's safe.
Or if I just come over here and kick it out?
Let me see.
It's only right here, the oil pan. It should be safe, yeah?
That's safe.
People look at me like I'm crazy.
Because you are crazy.
Not even. Only sometimes. Only on the weekends.
You smart. Get that instead of like the pans.
Nah, I was gonna get the pans, but then fuck, I don't wanna. I'm not trying to drive to Goodyear or like Napa or something.
Oh, and drop it off.
Yeah. So this one, I just dump it straight in the truck.
Look like dog food. So it's a what? A size 14?
Ooh. Yeah, it's a 14.
Yeah. I mean, I would go under the car, but I cannot fit. With this beer belly. Been partying way too much. Claim to be busy, but you know, just been partying, drinking too much alcohol. That alcohol abuse.
Relationship weight.
Relationship weight, this guy said.
If you ever gotta do oil change on IS300, this is our oil pan here. Be a size 14 nut right there. Take it off and watch that shit spill all over the damn place.
Yeah, look, it missed the whole bag.
Small kind, yeah. Like it's like overflowing. Oh shit. Don't be like me. Don't be cheap, okay? Buy two boxes. It's only 5 quarts. My car has 6, so don't be cheap. Ah, this fucker's overflowing. Oh shit, it's not for real, bro. This shit's overflowing. Okay, yep. Don't be cheap. They're coming out this fuck.
So after you drain them, you want to reach for your oil filter, which on the IS300 it's gonna be on this side.
Oh, this fuck is heavy.
I don't know if you guys could see it, right there. So right there's the oil filter. He got it out, and he's gonna have to snake it. Nah, you can pull it straight up.
You actually, shit, dog. It's not gonna fit. I'm telling you. I'll show you right now. It's not gonna fit.
Just put spit.
Trust me. Look at this. Tell me, how are you gonna bring this guy out?
And then now you're gonna snake him out from the bottom. He's gonna try to sneak it out through this gap over there. Oh, you spilled oil, bro.
I know.
Now you can be a part of Eliminator. Oil spiller. Got it out. Spilled some more oil, but
fuck, I still got a lot in there. Whip one up.
New filters in. Look at this. Let me know. Oh, it's all warm. Forgot. Fuck, it look like chocolate. Look at me. Whoops. Okay, so the last step, putting in the oil. And since we don't got a funnel.
Wait, do I have a funnel?
I don't know, but right now we're improvising.
I don't remember. I remember having
got his tube from the shop towel. This is so boss.
Oh, I do have a funnel.
Get this shit out of here. Get that out of here.
Hey, I had to improvise.
Yeah, there you go. Alright, so we do have a funnel. What the fuck? Does it screw? Oh, that's boss. Pour that shit in, son. Son.
This hole is thirsty. You know what I mean? You gotta let it sit there so all the oil come out.
The gaping hole.
Yes.
Yeah, so let it rest upside down so you don't waste oil. Shit is expensive nowadays. Well, I don't know.
Ever good saving money tips? Don't ever go Napa or don't ever go O'Reilly for buy oil or AutoZone, cause 5 quarts of this fucker is like what, 40 bucks at AutoZone, Napa. Walmart, $25.
And Walmart, yep. Save money, guys. Things are getting expensive nowadays. Oh, you almost hit rim.
You know, rim job, huh?
Sick fuck. I've been poured oil. I was just a supervisor for today. Handyman. Give this guy the tools he needed. Because he's not about to fit under this car.
Someone gotta invest in on lift over here.
Yeah, we just moved mainland. And then bound lift. Check this fucker one last time. Make sure. Oi.
Get oil or what?
Let's try that again. What the fuck?
Can I see ya?
Yeah, can I see?
Try again.
The oil is super clean. Let's try one more time. 3rd time's the charm. Oh, it's past.
Yeah, it's past, yeah, earlier.
Yeah. Should be good to go. Stick this fucker back in the hole.
Yes, sir. Sick fuck.
This should do it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Catch us in the next one. And
Yes, sir.